Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call get commits by task API in the Angular application. So let's get started. Let's go to the admin service. Let me duplicate this method. Update the method name, that is a get commits by task. In the argument, it will get a task ID, that is a type of a number. Mapping, it will be a get. And the URL of the endpoint, that is a API/admin/comments/ID. Let's go to the view task details component.ts. Let me duplicate this method. Update the method name, that is a get comments. And we have to call the method from the admin service, that is a get comments by task. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the task ID that we are getting from the URL. Let me create here the variable with the name comments. That is the type of any. Let me call this variable inside the get comments method. So it will be at the start comments, and we have to assign the response of the get comments by task API. And we have to invoke this method inside the ng on init lifecycle hook. So it will be at the start get comments. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me refresh the task details page. As you can see, we are getting at the status code, that is a 200 OK. And in the response, we are getting a comment of this task that is posted by the admin. Let's show this comment inside the task details page. Let's go to the view task details component.html. After the mat card, I'm going to add here the div to show the comments. As you can see, the div with the style property, that is a margin top 10 pixels. Inside this, we have a h4 tag with the caption comments. After the h4 tag, we have a mat card tag with the for loop, where we are calling the variable from the view task details component.ts, that is a comments. We are getting the comment one by one from the comments variable. Inside this, we have a mat card header tag, where we have to show the posted date and the posted username. So the first title we have, that is a posted by, and second we have the posted date. After the mat card header, we have a card for the mat card content, where we have to show the content of the comment. As you can see, the content that we're getting from the comment variable. Now you can take a look of the view task details component.html. View task details component.scss. View task component details.ts. Now I'm going to make few changes inside the publish comment method. Inside the if block, I'm going to call the method that is the start get comments to fetch the updated comments after posting the new comment by the user. Let's navigate to the browser and let's test the API. As you can see, the comment that posted by the admin. Let's publish the new comment with the content like please deliver as soon as possible. Let's click on the post comment button. As you can see, the newly created comment by the admin. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.